Wow, it is so beautiful. It's your girl Nessa D. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Agnes D-Bang, in short for Nessa D. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new LED light kit that I got from the beauty cognoscente. Yeah, unboxing and installing actually, and test running it and see how it works. So yeah, this is what it comes, this is what it looks like, and this is what is in the box. I don't know if you can see me. And yeah, also it comes with a tripod stand to mount the lights after fixing this whole thing together. We're going to see how everything comes together. Like, hopefully it comes out good. And yeah, so this is the tripod stand. Okay, the back is kind of ripped up already. Okay, let's unscrew this. Let's see how tall it can go. Okay, this is it. It's a bit tough though. Yeah, so this is the knob. Tighten the knob here. Yeah. Quite tall enough. Yeah, it has a knob here, so we unscrew this. We unscrew that, and I think this is where the light comes in. The light goes through this screw here. This is the whole length of the tripod. I think it used to go higher than this actually. That's the thing. Maybe? Nope, I think this is the moment. And it's fine. Like, to be very honest, I think it's perfectly okay this way. So now let's start with the box. What's in this box? I'm going to keep this aside and put everything in this box together and fix it on it. Apparently it comes with a battery, so we could also use the light without electricity. So I was told to charge. These are the batteries. These are the batteries it comes in with. Two batteries. This, the knob. Like I said, this is what. Okay, this is the control panel. How it goes. Yeah, this is where it tightens this part. Now it's hard now, so we just adjust it to get the perfect position in necessity. So we screw this part to the knob here. As simple as that. Yeah. Next. Actually looks very beautiful. So it has the control switch at the back. These are the positions for the battery, and here on switch. So this is the control button. This tiny space here is for the adapter. I guess obviously that's that looks like what will go in there. So let's fix it. I think we should fix in the battery first before putting it on. the tripod. So let me get the battery. Bag. Yeah, so the batteries are in. Like I said, you could use it with electricity, and at the same time you could use it without electricity with the help of the battery. And yes, you have to charge the battery for you to be able to use it. It comes with a charger. So this right here is what it literally says, battery charger, to charge the battery here. So this is for that. I have actually charged this battery, so we're going to be testing it out now. You have to be careful so this doesn't fall. Expensive, expensive, but yeah, what I need. Put money in the tray. Okay, fuse tight already. Okay, so like I said earlier, this knob right here, this particular one, is used to control how stable light would be. Now you see the head is falling, so you use this where this knob important comes in. Everything literally is important, or we screw this to make it keeps it firm. Yeah, so here we have it. It's firm and as good as new. So I think we can still unscrew this. Oh yeah, we can. It still goes all the way. Wow. This thing is literally taller than me. Yeah, so it still goes all the way up. I think it's up to or more than 6 feet tall. So we move it this way. So you have to screw the knobs, tighten them for it not to keep sliding down. So you have to make them in a particular position you want it to be. So yeah, let's finally, once you can see how it would be like. Okay, I think this button. Oh wow, it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is how it looks like. This is just with the battery. I haven't switched it to the electricity yet. So this is just with the battery. Two knobs here. This control switch is for adjusting the brightness of the light, whichever way you want, however bright you want it to be. You just use this to adjust. If you want it to be so bright, let me point it on myself and see how it looks on me. Oh my goodness, oh my god, it's too bright. Yeah, I think this is much better. I can work with this. See how it looks like. Okay, not so bad. It's actually very nice for the price and for what it is giving. It is really good. This, remember, this is just to remove the batteries and try it with the electricity now. So you just, there's a button here, this particular one, just you press it and the battery pops out. Just easy. This one, press this and come back. The adapter switch where connected to the switch. Yeah, by the way, it's this whole light thing, it actually causes heat, so it makes the heat in the room times 2. Like, it causes heat. So I am sweating right now just for the period of time the light was on. So yeah, so now it's connected to it. I tried it before and it wasn't coming on. I didn't know why, so I guess it was the socket that wasn't functioning well, but I just fixed it now. I just fixed it in properly now, so let's see. So yeah, so this is the light with electricity. Like I said, this to adjust the brightness of the light and how you want it to be. This one here, this is bright. So this one by this side makes it even much more brighter. This one dims the light all the way down, and this makes it times 10 times 10. A ring light and this LED light, I think I would go for this LED light. Though the disadvantage of the ring light, a ring light has a phone holder, but this doesn't have a phone holder. But you can also get a tripod and pick this thing and you're good to go. So let's try it just light on, like the other lights in the room off, and just is the light just by itself. The light in the room is off now, so tune it up, like the brightness. Okay, I just tuned it down. This is how it looks like. And bring it back up, and this bring it down. Like this is bright. Should I say white lights? Fluorescent lights, or just normal clear lights. This white light, I don't know what it's called. I think white light. And then this one has an orange kind of color to it. Yeah. How it goes on me. Way too bright. Let's try it this way. Seeing the lights now, and it kind of looks cool. It's actually affecting my eyes now. Lights usually affects my eyes, so I'm going to be turning it off first. I'm not wearing my glasses now. So yes, this is how it looks like. It's just by my side here. This is increased. And this is decreased. So it's like down, like things it's down, like you're literally off it. But remember, when you dim it down this way, the light is not off. You still have to switch it off from the on and off switch button here. You have to switch it off. Then this whole lighting thing goes off, and the green light just goes off. That's when you know that the light is really off. But when it's still on, but the knobs are not on, mind you, the light is still on, and maybe there's a power disturbance with, you know how NEPA could be. It could disrupt the light and probably spoil it. So for you to have a proper maintenance of it, whenever you are done with the light, after offing it from here, remember to turn the switch off and take it out of the socket, so you have a good LED light. And yeah, and this is just with electricity. This is space for the battery, so whenever you have a video or something to do with LED and there is no power supply, remember it has a battery. It comes with batteries. You have to charge the batteries for them to function and last longer. So you have to charge them. It sets them right here. They go in here, and you can use them even without for the batteries. Yeah. So, and this is the battery. You put insert it in this way. You have to be careful because it could fall out when trying to put it in the charger. So you have to make sure it clicks properly. So you have to hear the click sound. That was a lot. So yeah, it would be this way. So it shows here, it says charged because I have charged it already, but when charging or when the battery is low, it turns red. So that's when you know you have to charge the battery. When charging, it turns red, and when it's full, it turns red. So this is where it goes into the socket, this particular place, and then you're good. You charge until it turns green, and that's when you know that your charger is good to go. Yeah, so it's travel size. Take it a little bit fun and a little bit challenging video to make the whole installation process, but yeah, it was all cool and I enjoyed doing this. If you have a question for me, leave it down below in the comment section and I will make sure I attend to every one of them. So yeah, I think if you need the red light, you should get the red light instead of the red light. So I think I got it around 31 to 100. Yeah, 31 and then 1 to from delivery. Get 30k is actually costs 30k. It's quite okay. What's the price? I'm going to link her link down below, the Beauty Cognoscente. Also, you can check her out on Instagram at the Beauty Cognoscente and get yours too. It will really come in handy. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions for me, comment down below and I'll make sure to attend to any of the questions. And yeah, so if you really want to get a LED light, you should message the Beauty Cognoscente. So yeah guys, I have come to the end of my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.